Welcome to Team Go Mode. It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now I'm super excited to make this video because one of my LiveGood team members has just officially been able to quit their job and now be a stay-at-home mom who works the LiveGood business full time. All right, so congratulations to Kelly Toller. She's a part of Team Diamond in LiveGood. And I just found out a few days ago she was able to make this happen. And it just goes to show you the power, the potential of the LiveGood opportunity. All right. I'm super excited to be a part of LiveGood and to see people actually being successful with this opportunity. It's very motivating and inspiring for people like myself who plans on really rocking LiveGood and making a nice income with this opportunity. I have been a part of LiveGood for just a little over 4 months now, and I've already started earning money with this opportunity. But to see somebody get to the point where they can walk away from their full-time job and do LiveGood full-time is just super dope, super motivating. Because I believe Kelly was only been a member maybe 2 or 3 months longer than I have. And I actually seen her progression and seen her go from, making a little bit with LiveGood to being able to walk away from her job. So once again, congratulations to Kelly. And I'm sure she's going to keep on growing. And I'm super excited to be part of her team and being successful with her as well. So if you are one of those people who are thinking about joining LiveGood or never heard about it, you need to check this out, right? If you are serious about having an online business, making money from home, working from wherever you want, you might want to look at this opportunity. Now, one thing that I noticed Kelly did to get to the point where she was able to walk away from her full-time teaching job was treat LiveGood like a business. She promoted the hell out of this opportunity, and she still promotes the hell out of LiveGood. So you can, see how she got to where she is right now. She treats LiveGood like a business, right? And that's what I'm doing. And that's what you should do if you really want to be successful with this opportunity. Now, it is true that it's possible to make over $2,000 a month from LiveGood without having to sell anything or recruit anybody. But this is going to come from what they call spillover. And how spillover comes is the more and more people join LiveGood, people have to go under people, right? So in time, it is possible that you could start earning a monthly income without you having to recruit anybody or sell anything, but you will be capped at a little over $2,000 a month. So if you're somebody who just kind of want to, join up for LiveGood, right? So if you are somebody who just want to join LiveGood and don't want to do absolutely anything and just sit and wait, you can do that. Pay $10 a month and just stick with the company. And maybe in 6 months, maybe in a year, maybe 2 years, you can hit that $2,000, from spillover. But honestly, I recommend you going hard with this opportunity because you can earn a lot more money than just $2,000 a month. And why wouldn't you want to make more if you can, right? So if you join LiveGood, treat it like a business. You know what I'm saying? Like, come up with a strategy of how you want to market this opportunity, how you want to promote it. Once you come out with that strategy, just do it. Because honestly, all you really need to do to be successful with LiveGood is show people that LiveGood Tour. Get people to that LiveGood Tour page and you done, right? Just get people to that page and you will be successful. So if you haven't taken the LiveGood Tour yet yourself, you need to do that right now. It's the first link in the description. Check it out and I will see you on the team.